Getting inconsistent results? Let's talk about a better way to prep your research samples.
So let's start with a big question. When an experiment goes wrong, is the sample to blame? Okay, this probably looks familiar, right? The manual workflow. It's messy, it's chaotic, it's a lot.
And what does that mean? More time, a ton of waste, and just plain higher costs.
You might think bead-based methods are better, but nope. They add labels and really stress out the cells.
So the bottom line is this. These old methods can actually damage the cells you need most. But what if you didn't have to compromise? There's a solution to this hidden problem. And here it is. This is the LeviCell system from Levitas Bio. It's built to fix all this. How does it work? With Levitation Technology, it gently sorts cells without any labels in just one step.
Think about the efficiency here. Automation means you get your valuable time back.
And check this out. It's also way more sustainable. You can watch all that plastic waste just disappear.
Let's put them side by side. The difference in time, waste, and cost is just wow.
But this is about more than just a cleaner workflow. It's about the quality of your cells. Instead of stressed cells, LeviCell gives you pure, untouched ones. And that's key for reliable data. This really creates two totally different paths for your research. Let's see where they lead.
With the current way, you get a chain reaction, bad samples, untrustworthy data, and missed discoveries.
But with the LeviCell, you get clean samples, which means reliable data and confident discoveries.
So really, investing in your sample prep means you're investing in the quality of your discovery. Which brings up a pretty exciting question. If every sample was perfect, what would you ask?